Hello, I'm here to present to you U Portal for Crandall ISD, and it is by myself, Tabitha Coleman. This is a table of contents. There's a purpose, the application breakdown, information given to parents, goals and milestones, strengths and weaknesses, and then there's a question and answer portion. What is U and what is its purpose? U is a teacher-created application that can be installed on a computer or phone. It's an application that focuses on closing student academic gaps by allowing access to students' grades, current level TEKS, current academic level of the student areas of weakness, and extra work to help fill the students' gaps. The application breakdown. The organization involved is Crandall Independent School District. Stakeholders are the school board, Dietz administration, and the lead teacher at Dietz Elementary, which is myself. The target audience are the teachers, students, and parents. The main subject is the lead kindergarten teacher, the lead kindergarten teacher's classroom, and then the lead kindergarten teacher's parents. The time frame would be 2 years, which are both 183 calendar days for 2022 through 2023 and 2023 through 2024. The main focus was to be on one classroom starting this application off to really see if it could do what we intended on it doing. Rather than give it to a bunch of people and just see if everyone could work it or get some positive feedback out of it, we decided just to focus on one classroom. The U portal. This is the information that we give to parents. This portal will allow students and parents to see where their student is currently, as well as what areas, which are the TEKS, the students are struggling with. Students and parents will be able to see a breakdown of the TEKS that they are not mastering, along with examples to help with self-directed learning in order to aid with closing academic gaps. Skyward. The U portal will be accessed through the district's Skyward account. So every school has a Skyward account. This is how students are registered for the school year, grade book, if they have any discipline actions, everything is in this one site. So why not add the U portal to the site? Parents already know how to log into this. They're already super comfortable and familiar with it. So just adding one more tab, which would be here, that would be the U tab, would be the ideal situation. So the U tab would be here. Of course, parents would go and click it just like this comes up. It would pop down. The only reason why U isn't on here now is because we haven't fully gotten this app created. The purpose for U, the goals and milestones. The goals. Goal 1, we want to increase student growth and self-directed learning. Goal 2, we want to increase parent involvement in student learning. Goal 3, this will reduce paperwork for students and teachers. Goal 4, we want to close academic gaps among students. And goal 5, we want to increase positive parent and teacher communication. The milestones and dates. Parents and students learn how to assess information that is available. Parents and students can independently work on struggling areas without teacher assistance. Academic percentage gaps are closing due to parents and students working independently. Teachers and parents have an increase in positive communication between students, parents, and teachers. Student academic gaps percentage are closed by less than 0.05% due to independent work by parents and students. So I started the first milestone in October of the first year, going into January for 2023 with the second, the third moving to March, the fourth moving to April, and the fifth moving into the second year. I feel like because these were so far apart, it would give us ample time to fix whatever weaknesses or problems that were to arise in those time frames. Tracking and data. Goals and milestones would be tracked throughout the school year, documented and shared with DEETS administrators, board members, and shareholders. So we would consistently monitor the one classroom with the 20 to 24 students, their parents, through just communication with the parents, the assessments that we do naturally with the students to see where they are and if they have grown. Use strengths and weaknesses. 3 current strengths are: the application allows for more student and parent involvement. Application allows for students to have more self-directed learning. The application allows for a greater percentage to close academic gaps among students. 3 weaknesses: percentage of academic gaps closing not high enough to continue the use of the U portal. Students and parents not able to learn how to use application to aid with learning. And student self-learning or self-directed learning not aiding in closing of academic gaps. Okay, opportunities and threats. Students close academic gaps and surpass academic expectations. Developer liking the idea and designer can sell it to other districts to use. The application meeting designer, students, and parents' expectations that the program expands to other grade levels after the 2-year trial. Projected threats. Application not being utilized to its fullest degree by students and parents. Application not working to the degree that designer anticipated. And student self-learning or directed learning doesn't close academic gaps as designer anticipated. Question and answer session. This would be the time that my shareholders would allow, that I would allow them to ask any type of question that they wanted. And then, thank you for listening.